Let's understand how population questions are usually asked in this concept. The fifth type of problems related to percentage is population. In this, questions will be asked of percentage change and rate. So, percentage change in population. This will be happening mainly due to migration from one place to other. It might be from present place to some other or some other place to here. And rate deals with changes in population with a constant rate or varying rate. Coming to this question, given population of a town increased from 1,75,000 to 2,62,500 in a decade, the average percent increase of population per year. So let X be initial population, that is 1,75,000, and Y be present population 2,62,500. Read the question carefully. It is given that it is increased in 10 years of span, and they're asking us to find the population change per year. So let's find normal percentage change, which is given by y minus x by initial value, that is x, into 100. This is 2,62,500 minus 1,75,000 by 1,75,000 into 100. This is 87,500 by 1750. So we have got that 50% is increased. So this is 50% in 10 years. Then in 1 year, how much did it increase? This is given by crisscross method, that is 1 into 50 by 10, which is 5%. This means that there is an increase of 5% every year. Now let's see how to solve rate related problems. Rate problems can be solved by this particular formula. Let's look over it. Let P be population of town, and if it is increased at a rate of R% per annum, then population after n years is given by P into 1 plus R by 100 whole power n. And in the same way, if they ask us to find n years ago what is the population, then it is given by P by 1 plus R by 100 whole power n. These formulas are for constant increase in the population. But how to solve if there is no constant increase? That is, if population be x now and the next year it increases by 3% and then it increases by 5% and then it increases by some 2.5%. If they give this kind of things, how to solve the problem? Let's know it with an example. In this, given 2 years ago, population is 62,500 and they've got migrated to big cities, so it decreased every year at a constant rate of 4%. So they're asking us the present population. Let's take P is equals to 62,500 and it is decreased at a constant rate of 4%. So whenever they give us population 2 years ago or 2 years after, and if they ask us to find the present, let's take P as the original value now and let's find it after 2 years. This will be done by formula given before. So present population is equals to 62,500 into 1 minus 4 by 100 whole square. As I mentioned before, the formula is P into 1 plus R by 100 whole power n. where n is number of years and r is constant rate and p is the population. So as rate is decreasing, I took it as negative. On solving this, 4 ones are 425s are, which is equal to 62500 into 24 by 25 whole square, which can be written as 24 by 25 into 24 by 25. This gives us 57,600. As I said before, what if they give varying rates? Let population be P and it is increasing at a rate of 3%, 2% and 1% in the 3 consecutive years. What is population after 3 years? This is given by the same formula but a bit changed. The original formula is P into 1 plus R by 100 whole power n. In this case, we take individual rates. So, P into 1 plus rate 1 is 3. 3 by 100, it's 1 year, into 2 by 100 the next year, into 1 plus 1 by 100 the next year. This gives us population after 3 years. With this, we have finished type 5 questions.